Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 13th of June 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 12th and 13th of June 2021. Our first question is, who has been recently appointed as the new Director General of Assam Rifles? Answer is option number 1, Pradeep Chandran Nair. Look into image. This is Pradeep Chandran Nair and recently he has been appointed as the new Director General of Assam Rifles. What is Assam Rifles? Assam Rifles is the oldest paramilitary force of India. It was formed in 1835. It was formed in 1835. The force or the Assam Rifles is under the control of Indian Ministry of Home Affairs, and since 2002 the force has been given the role of guarding the Indo-Myanmar barrier. So answer will be option number 1. Pradeep Chandran Nair has been recently appointed as the new DG of Assam Rifles. Next, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by OECD? What is OECD? Long form of OECD is the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development. It was formed in 1948. Its headquarters is in Paris. And recently this OECD has predicted that India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year, that is in 2021-22, will be 9.9%. So answer will be option number 1, 9.9%. Next, which of the following state government has started Corona Mukt Gaon competition or Corona Mukta Village competition? Answer is option number 1, Maharashtra. Recently, the state government of Maharashtra has started this competition called Corona Mukta Village competition or Corona Mukt Gaon competition, and it has been started by the Maharashtra state government to boost local governance in villages to take steps to contain the spread of COVID-19. As part of this competition, 3 gram panchayat in each of the state's 6 revenue divisions will be given prizes for managing the COVID-19 pandemic. Answer will be option number 1, Maharashtra. Maharashtra, look at map. This is Maharashtra. It was formed on 1st of May 1960. Capital is Mumbai. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshari. CM is Uddhav Thackeray. Its legislature has 288 plus 78 members. That is, in Vidhan Sabha there are 288 and in Vidhan Parishad there are 78 members. 48 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 90 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Maharashtra. It is the third largest state by area and second by population in India. It borders with Goa, Karnataka, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers of Maharashtra, and Maharashtra is the third most urbanized state of India. Next, how many Indian universities secured position in the top 100 list in Times Higher Education Asia University Ranking 2021? Answer is option number 1, 3. 3 Indian universities secured position in the top 100 list of Times Higher Education Asia Universities Ranking 2021. They are Indian Institute of Sciences Bangalore, IIT Ropar and IIT Indore. IIS Bangalore has ranked at 37th position in Asia. IIT Ropar has placed at 55th rank and IIT Indore has ranked at 78th among the top 100 universities in Asia. So answer will be option number 1, 3. And if you consider the Asian universities, Tsinghua University from China has gained the first position in the Asia University Ranking 2021. The second place is also secured by China's Peking University. Third rank has been secured by Singapore University and fourth rank has been secured by Hong Kong University. Next, what is current repo rate and reverse repo rate as announced by RBI recently? Answer is option number 1, 4 and 3.3%. Currently, repo rate is 4% and reverse repo rate is 3.5%. What is repo rate? Repo rate is the rate at which the central bank or RBI lends money to commercial banks in the event of any shortfall of the fund, whereas reverse repo rate is the rate at which central bank or RBI borrows money from the commercial bank within the country or within the India. So answer will be option number 1. And what is RBI? RBI long form is Reserve Bank of India. It was formed on 1st of April 1935. Headquarters is in Mumbai and currently Shaktikant Das is the governor. He is the 25th governor of RBI. Next, which of the following space agency has announced to send 2 new missions to Venus in order to examine the planet's atmosphere and geological features? Answer is option number 4, NASA. Recently, NASA has announced to send 2 new missions to Venus in order to examine the planet's atmosphere and geological features. The mission, which have been each awarded $500 million in funding, are due to launch between 2028 and 2030. So answer will be option number 4, NASA. NASA, long form of NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It is an independent agency of the US federal government responsible for civilian space program as well as Aeronautics and Space Research. It was established on 29th of July 1958. Its headquarters is in Washington DC, and currently administrator of NASA is Bill Nelson. Next, which of the following institution has recently launched Bal Swaraj portal? Bal Swaraj portal in view of the growing problem related to children affected by COVID-19. Answer is option number 1, NCPCR. Long form of NCPCR is National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. It is an Indian statutory body established by the Act of Parliament, the Commission of Protection of Child Rights Act 2005. It works under the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India, and the commission has become operational on 5th of March 2007. Its headquarters is in New Delhi, and currently Priyanka Konango is the chairman of NCPCR. And recently, in view of the growing problem related to children affected by the COVID-19, the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, that is NCPCR, has launched an online tracking portal called Bal Swaraj for children in need of care and protection. The portal has been created with the purpose of tracking and monitoring children who need care and protection in real time digitally. The portal will also be used to track children who have lost their parents during the COVID-19. So answer will be option number 1, NCPCR. Next, which country has recently announced tax incentives for companies hiring transgender workers? Answer is option number 3, Bangladesh. Bangladesh has an estimated population of 1.5 million transgender people who face discrimination and violence, and to support and protect trans people in the majority Muslim conservative country, Bangladesh Finance Minister AHM Mustafa Kamal has announced tax incentives for companies hiring transgender workers in the annual national budget in an attempt to secure a better standard of living for trans people. Answer will be option number 3, Bangladesh. Bangladesh, look at map. This is Bangladesh. Its capital is Dhaka. President is Abdul Hamid, PM is Sheikh Hasina, and currency is Taka. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the new Vice Chief of Air Staff by Indian Air Force? Answer is option number 4, Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Look at the image. This is Vivek Ram Chaudhary, and he recently has been appointed as the new Vice Chief of Air Staff by the Indian Air Force. Answer will be option number 4. Next, Wipro has recently touched rupees 3 million market capitalization for the first time and has become dash Indian IT firm to achieve the milestone. Answer is option number 3, third. Wipro has recently touched rupees 3 trillion in market capitalization for the first time, becoming the third Indian IT firm to achieve the milestone after Tata Consultancy Services, that is TCS, and Infosys. Answer will be option number 3, third. What is Wipro? Wipro is an Indian multinational corporation that provides information technology, consulting, and business processes services. Its headquarters is in Bangalore, Karnataka. It was established on 29th of December 1945, and Rishad Premji is the chairman of Wipro. Next, which of the following state government has recently launched the Knowledge Economy Mission? Answer is option number 1, Kerala. Recently, the state government of Kerala has launched Knowledge Economy Mission to bring ongoing effect to provide employment to the educated and support knowledge workers under a single program. So answer will be option number 1, Kerala. Kerala, look at map. This is Kerala. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Governor is Arif Mohammad Khan, and CM is P. Vijayan. Its legislature has 140 seats. 20 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 9 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Kerala. It borders with Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the member of the International Dairy Federation? Answer is option number 4, Dr. R.S. Sodhi. Look at the image. This is Dr. R.S. Sodhi, and the International Dairy Federation, or IDF, is an international non-governmental non-profit association and represent the global dairy sector. The federation ensures that right policies, standards, practices, and regulations monitor the production of dairy products globally. And the International Dairy Federation, or IDF, has recently elected R.S. Sodhi, Managing Director of Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Limited, as the member of International Dairy Federation. So answer will be option number 4. Now we will quickly revise the questions about last video. Our first question was, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by Moody's? Answer is option number 1, 9.3%. India has recently signed a loan agreement of $2.5 million with Asian Development Bank to upgrade major district roads in dash. Answer is option number 4, Sikkim. Indian hockey men's team ranks at dash in the international ranking released by the International Hockey Federation recently? Answer is option number 4, fourth. Sir Aniruddha Jagannath has recently died. He was the former president of which country? He was the former president of Mauritius. Answer will be option number 4. Which of the following state or union territory has launched Yon-Tap scheme? Answer is option number 2, Ladakh. Sanjeev Kohli has been recently appointed as the next ambassador of India to dash. Answer is option number 3, Serbia. Harikrishna Dwivedi has been recently appointed as the new chief secretary of dash. He has been appointed as the new chief secretary of West Bengal. Answer will be option number 2. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Food Safety Day? Answer is option number 3, 7th June. Which of the following state government has recently launched Chief Minister Anupriti scheme? Answer is option number 4, Rajasthan. Red tourism, which is seen in news recently, is associated with which of the following country? It is associated with China. Answer will be option number 3. And last question was, which of the following country will host the United Nations Global Sustainable Transport Conference 2021? Answer is option number 2, China. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now answer of the question which was asked to you in the last video. Question was, which of the following ministry has launched the Yuva scheme? This scheme has been launched by Education Ministry. So answer will be option number 1, Education Ministry. Now today's question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Milk Day? Options are 13th May, 31st May, 1st June and 2nd June. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.